Want to know how to sign in to Booking.com? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and in a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up any web browser and on the URL, just simply type in Booking.com, just like this right here. Select enter and you should be on this Booking.com website automatically. So once you're on this interface, on the top right side, you should be seeing sign in right here. So once you have selected sign in, here you should be provided with this another interface on a different place. So you can just simply select sign in or create account right here. So make sure you are registered. We have also created a video on how to register, so make sure to watch it. So you can just simply follow the same process. So for me, I had registered with Google, so you can just simply select Google right here. And now another window should open up. Now just simply select any account that you had registered with, and you should be automatically signed in with just a few clicks. And that's it. Super simple and easy. This is how you sign in to Booking.com easily. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.